Hello students, in this video we will discuss about conditional and control statements in PLSQL block. Okay, programming languages like C also we have written control and conditional statements. So in the same way we can write the control and conditional statements with a different syntax. Okay, the concept is same but the execution, the syntax is different. Okay. Now first we will see about conditional statements, or we call them as decision making statements. Okay, so the conditional statements are decision making statements. We will write by using a statement called if then. Okay, by using this if then we can write a single if then statement, we can write if else statement, we can write nested if else statement, and we can also write else if statement and case. Case means this is like a switch case statement in C programming language, where the case statement, when the condition is true, the case statement has to check for the multiple cases and execute the matching case. Like that the case statement will be executed. So like we can write multiple if statements, if simple if else, else if, nested if else, and also case statement. Now how to write this if statement? Now if keyword, write the condition in the parenthesis, then is a keyword. Okay, then the statement which we want to execute it, and always the if statement ends with end if and semicolon. Okay, now if the condition is true, then the following statement will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, it's come out of this block. This is simple if. Okay, now suppose if you see this example, now we have an example like this: if a greater than b, then execute this statement. So if the a greater than b, if this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. Otherwise, control comes out of this end if statement and executes remaining part of the block. Okay, like this we can write the if statement, simple if else, else if, like that, nested if else, like that we can write. Okay, now how we will write? Suppose you see this: if condition is true, then execute this statement. If the condition is false, then execute the else part of this statement and comes out of the block. Like this we can also execute the if else statements. Okay, now we will see a simple example of this, how to write an if statement in a PLSQL block structure. Okay, now we say that a PLSQL block structure is basically divided into three sections, that is declaration, executable and exception, where exception and declaration are optional, where the executable section is compulsory. Okay, so in this block, PLSQL block, I didn't write any exception, where exception block, where I am not writing any exception in this block. Okay, but I declare a declaration section with a keyword declare, where we are declaring a variable a. So how we will declare a declaration section? With a keyword declare. In this declare section, I am declaring a variable name a with data type number and size 20, and assigning value 10 to a. Okay, now the value of a is 10. Okay, next. Now next this is the executable section. Here it is the end of the declaration. Now this is the beginning of the executable section, end of the executable section. Now here what I am doing, and what is this? This is the if block. Okay, this is the if block, where we are executing the based on the conditional checking. Okay, executing this statement based on the conditional checking. So here in executable section, I assigned a initialized value of a with 10. Now checking, if a less than 20, then execute this statement, end of the statement. So if a less than 20, if this condition is true, then execute this output. Okay, otherwise if a if a less than 20, if it is false, come out of this end if and execute the remaining part of the block. Okay, now here the value of a is 10 first. Okay, 10 is less than 20, the condition is true, then it will print this block inside the block, that is a is less than 10. Suppose if we take a value as 30, then what happens? A is less than 30 is less than 20, condition is false, then it comes out of this block and execute this statement, value of a is 30. Okay, like this we can write the conditional statements in PLSQL block also, different conditional statement. Now this is the end, this is the execution. When we execute, it will display the output and procedural successfully completed, otherwise it will give the error where there is a problem. Okay, now we can write the control statements in PLSQL block also. Okay, so in programming language like C, we write the control statements while for loop. In the same way, here in PLSQL block also we will write the for loop and while loop, but basic for loop here is always, basically loop begins with loop statement and ends with end loop statement. Okay, now we know what is while and for loop. Okay, so how to write these execution statements for the loop? Suppose if I is a variable, it has to execute for 5 times, that is 1 to 5 times, that means I value until I value becomes 5. Okay, that means 1 2 3 4 5, I value will be incremented with 1 2 3 4 and 5, like that. Okay, now we will see a simple example of loops. Okay, now in this declaration section, I am declaring a variable a with data type number and size 2. Okay, now this is executable section. Now here I am writing a for loop for a in 10, that means initially the value of a is 10, up to up to how many times it has to executed this statement in the loop, until a value becomes 20. Now start the loop with loop keyword and end with end loop. Now this is the block for loop block. So whatever the statements in this loop, those statements will be executed until a value becomes 20. Okay, so now a value is 10, the value of a is 10, it will print a. Now again increment by 1, 11, a value 11, up to 20 it will print, then end loop and remaining part of the program will be executed. Like this we can use control statements in PLSQL block. So we can use we can able to write conditional and control statements in PLSQL block.